Hello guys, I'm making some squishy, okay. By 3 times, okay. I get some color paper here. She's orange, but let's do in that, okay. I do wait that. This one, this butter, bread butter. When I'm taping, okay, I'm tape and okay, she's okay. I got some this one and this one. Let's tape. Okay. Oh my goodness, so traffic. I see the red. I see the red right here. I have a good pin in everywhere. Last one. The last one's there. I have a good pin also. Wait for me, guys. Wait for me. And after, I scissor it. Okay, bye. I tape it. Yes. And after this, I'm scissoring. And 3, 2, 1. This, I got it. And this is for closes. Yay. I'm all go this kiss. And 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I got mine. But no cotton and no closes. 3 and 2 and 1. Last one in 3, 2, 1. Hello. But she's not tape. And let's tape. Okay? And 3, 2, and 1. I'm excited. Ta-da! Yay! I did it. I got bread butter. Okay. So bye bye guys. Next part 2.